Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a productive weekend in my life. I had so much to get done this weekend, just to clean up the house, get some things restocked, get groceries done, car wash, just those things that add up in adult life. So I started out in the bedroom because my bedroom needed a deep clean so bad. This bathroom had just gotten disgusting, and so I gave it a super deep clean, washed everything, swept everything, mopped everything, and I did the same for the bathroom. I hope you guys enjoy this super productive weekend in my life. Go grab your cleaning supplies and let's tidy up together. The bedroom is all clean and tidy. I feel great. The sheets are in the washer right now. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and sand the bathroom so that I can paint it. Probably not today, probably tomorrow, but it will be ready. Whew. All right, we got tons done. Got the ceiling sanded, and then I also went ahead and swept the guest bathroom because it really needed it, and I swept this hallway. That's the thing about having 4 furry pets. Hair and dust and dander stack up so quick. I could literally probably sweep once a week and I would always have hordes of dust to get up, and it's awful. So anyways, got that all swept. Now, one random little thing that always catches my eye, and these are sometimes the smallest but biggest like payoff and just like relief, is I have this one outlet, as you can see here, that is an old outlet. I've switched all of the light switches in this hallway, but I need to switch this out. This outlet is nasty. It's been painted over, and it has this dark brown cover, which I don't love because I don't like that it contrasts with the walls. I want my outlets and switches to blend in personally. So we're gonna go ahead and switch it. I'm pretty sure I've cut the power to the entire hallway, but I've never tested that outlet before to see what circuits it is on. That's why I have my phone charger. I'm gonna see if it will charge my phone. If it doesn't, we'll go ahead and replace it. Good thing I checked. It is not on this circuit. So we're gonna go try a couple more outlets, or a couple switches in the breaker box. Let's see if that worked. It did, okay. Let's go ahead and replace this switch then.
And you don't have to watch your weight. Load up your portion control plate. Just a spoonful burns the fat away. It's fantastic and it's for free. And as long as you agree to be the product, you'll never have to pay. 'Cause there is a simple remedy to stay fit.
That looks literally so much better than like this disgusting dingy outlet. The only problem is that the old cover was a little bit bigger, so I do need to go back and paint. behind this, but we will save that for another day.
Good morning. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, obviously. Oh my goodness. And last night we ended up going to the pet food store after Brendan got home from the gym. And then after that we went and watched the new Mission Impossible movie. Wasn't my favorite, to be honest. Bubba. Okay, you said hello to your friends. Can you get off the counter now, please? Thank you. I'm just making my morning coffee. I'm about to put a face of makeup on because I do want to film my at-home Halloween haul today, which is why I put this on. And then I also want to film my last 2 Japan hauls because I have not filmed those yet. I need to film my Disney haul from Japan, and I need to film like my clothing haul from Japan. So, got both of those things to knock out today. So I want to film those today for sure, but before we do all that, the only things that I have left on my list from yesterday were to take a bunch of the bins for Halloween that I've used and put them back up in the attic, and then go to the grocery store. So I want to go to Sam's. We do have a Sam's Club membership. It expires in July and we don't go that often. So I want to make sure we use it maybe at least once or twice before July hits. Ignore this light that keeps blinking, it's haunted. But I want to use it again. I want to use it, words. I want to use it a couple more times before it expires because I'll wait to renew it, I think, just because we don't use it like a ton. But I do want to stock up on some staples like meat, toilet paper, toothbrushes are something that we normally buy at Sam's, so a couple things. And then I also want to stop by Home Depot because yesterday while you guys were on the charger, I decided to change out the switches in the guest bedroom. And somehow, some way, now our guest bedroom is turning on and off our master bedroom light. So that's mystery to be solved. But saying all that to say, I had to use the wrong light switch for testing it because I didn't realize that the light switch that I was reusing from the master bedroom, because we have different light switches in there, they're like gold and pretty. The white one that used to be in there is like broken. So I can't use that one and I don't have a spare. So I need to go to Home Depot and grab that. And I also think I might go ahead and grab some black outlets because I want black outlets in our master bedroom. Just so that they blend in a little bit more because we have such dark paint in there. I would love to have them actually match the paint color, but I think we're just gonna go with black. What? Anyways, that was like 5 minutes of rambling, basically to say I need to get a new light switch and we need to stop by the grocery store, and then I'm gonna get to my other to-dos for today. So, hope you guys enjoy following along on this super long, productive weekend of my life.
All the king's horses, all the king's men couldn't put the dreamer together again. Whispers, if you want me, say it for real. And I don't know what happens between the night and day.
I'm about to head downstairs to wash the car. We do have a hose down there, but I figured some hot water will help, especially with some of the sap. So I'm gonna fill this with 1 sponge and a couple of rags and some soap.
Fast asleep in sweet Kentucky, and I don't know what happens between the night, between the day. I watch the sunrise over Broadway.
That was quite a project, but we're done. I feel like the car does look so much better. Honestly, could really use, sorry if you hear Manila barking, she's angry that she's upstairs and I'm not. It could really use a polish and a wax. And honestly, it could use some paint touch-ups. But, you know, we're doing what we can do, faux free. So yeah, I'm gonna head upstairs and switch clothes. Maybe film these YouTube videos I need to do. I don't know. We'll see.
The same old thing, like I said something just to ruin your mood and clip your wings. I would buy you a diamond ring if you made me feel like you were queen and I were king. God only knows that I'm better off being without you. God only knows that I'm trying to do what I want to. Sometimes you're a fire, sometimes you're a ghost. Sometimes you can give me all the things that I love the most. Sometimes you're a queen, sometimes you're a curse, and sometimes a whole lot worse. Yeah, nobody's quite like you. Oh, nobody's quite like you. Hanging by a thread of hope, like you'd let me go. Leave me hot or leave me cold. It's a shame I have to pay the price. Didn't realize that your